अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं एक डिलीशियस चिकन भुना मसाला। ये रोटी के साथ, ख़ास करके चावल की रोटी के साथ, पराठास, रोल्स या फिर घी राइस, ज़ीरा राइस के साथ भी अच्छे से चल जाता है। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं बनाना। इंग्रेडिएंट्स एज़ ऑलवेज़ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन्ड है, तो सामान तैयार रखिए। लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो मैं 500 ग्राम बोनलेस चिकन लिया हुआ है। ये मैरिनेट करना है। थोड़े थोड़े मसाले ऐड करते हैं इसमें। 1 टेबलस्पून धनिया का पाउडर, 1/4 टीस्पून टर्मरिक पाउडर, 1 टीस्पून सॉल्ट, 1 1/4 टीस्पून चिली पाउडर, आधा टीस्पून जिंजर पेस्ट, 3/4 टीस्पून गार्लिक पेस्ट और 4 टेबलस्पून कर्ड। इन सबको ऐड करके अच्छे से मिक्स करिए, कवर करके कीप इट असाइड फॉर 20 minutes. Now keep a kadai and add half a ladle of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 4 medium-sized onions finely chopped and saute till golden brown. When the onions have become golden brown, add 3/4 teaspoon garlic paste and half a teaspoon of ginger paste. Saute till the raw smell goes. Add a few drops of water if you find the masala sticking to the bottom of the pan. Now add 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. Mix well, cover and cook on very low flame till the tomatoes become soft. After 5 minutes, let's check. The tomatoes have become nice and soft. Let's add a few powdered masalas. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon zeera powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder and half a teaspoon of salt, because we have already added salt while marinating the chicken. Also add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Saute well and then add the marinated chicken. Saute the chicken on very low flame. The chicken will leave its own water. Mix well for around 2 minutes. Now cover and let the chicken cook for at least 5 minutes. Do stir in between, and if necessary, add around 1/4 glass of water as well. After 5 minutes, remove the lid. The chicken is almost 60 to 70% cooked. Now add 1 capsicum cubed and 1 green chilli. Also add 1 glass of water to the marinade left in the bowl. Mix well and add that water to the chicken masala. Keep the flame on medium. Also add half a tablespoon of crushed kasuri methi. Mix that, cover and let it cook on medium flame for another 5 minutes. After around 5 minutes, let's check. The chicken looks perfectly done. The oil has come to the top. The consistency of the masala is perfect. Goes very well with rotis, chapatis, parathas and rice. Garnish with coriander leaves before serving. And there you go. Bhuna Masala chicken is now ready. So please do try it out. Like I always say, ingredients are mentioned in the description box. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.